Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the auto text or a quick parts in MS Word. So what is auto text? It is a portion of text pre-existing in the computer memory. It can contain a few letters, words, sentences, paragraphs. So it is very much similar to your autocorrect, but in autocorrect the changes what you type with no intervention from you. But in auto text, it only replaces the text when you tell it to do it. So now let's see if I want to insert this text as a auto text. If I select it, then I have to go to the insert, click on the quick parts, click on the auto text, click on the save selection gallery, give it a name whichever you want. If I want to give an introduction or something like that, I have already given a name to it, that is introduction. Just click on the auto text. Just click on the category which you want. If you want to create a new category, just create a new category and click OK. So once you click OK, when you start writing a like this, wait a second. So when you start writing a channel, when you start writing a channel over here, it will give you option like this. So if you want to insert the same text which you have stored on the channel name, just click enter. It will show the whole text which you have stored on the auto text. So that is the use of auto text. Now if you want to write some name like MS Word again and again is word processing software. If you want to write this line again and again, then you have to select it, click on the insert, click on the quick parts, click on the auto text, save selection to the auto gallery. MS Word is like this, the name I have given over here. Then auto text, category general. If you want to create your own category, you can also create it and click OK. Once you click OK and start writing it, the MS Word is like this. If you don't find it here, so what you have to do, you have to go to the auto text, and here there is a library available. If you see here, it is showing the MS Word, and just click over there, it will appear like this. So if you don't know which text you have assigned for your quick parts or auto text, you can just go to the quick parts, click on the auto text, and the whichever auto text you have stored, it will show you the how it works. So if I want the first introductory part again, then I will just type here intro, and it will show me channel name, and I have to just press enter like this, and it will insert the text whichever stored on that introduction. In this way you have to create the auto text, and so that you can quickly access the lines or the paragraphs which you want repeatedly in your document. Thank you.